Now that we've completed this process for cars, we'll need to do the same for the remaining categories. I'll start with vacation images. So these are all the Miami vacation images. I've selected them all. And this time, I'm going to type in vacation instead of car. And I'm going to type in Miami. Next, I'll do Los Angeles, and the file name starts with LA. Next, I'll do New York. And then Washington. The next thing we want to do is apply spring, summer, winter, and fall keywords to our landscape shots. So I'll type in spring. So these are all the images taken in spring, and they're going to be added to our landscape collection set. And you'll see what that means in just a moment. For now, we just have to add the keywords. The next thing I'll be doing is the wedding photos. And since the wedding photos require keywords based on objects in the photo, for example, photos that have flowers, dresses, or rings, I'll need to do this individually. So all the wedding photos start with wedding. And so I'll start with flowers. I'm going to change landscape here to wedding, and then flowers. So this image here has a flower, this one, okay? And then next we'll do apply the keyword dress to any image that has a wedding dress. So this one, and this one. And the last is ring. We'll apply this to any image that has a ring. Okay, I'll put the paint can back, and I'm just going to go through and make sure I did that properly. And it looks okay.